Today's video is brought to us thanks to the generosity of luckygunner.com. Check them out for all your ammunition needs.
You know, we're walking by a lot of booths that we're like, oh man, I don't know. But a few that have really quality things. And I'm a believer in the TASER. Of course, it's not a replacement for a firearm, but there are plenty of places you can't carry a gun. And I'm here with Anthony, and we have a couple of things here. And Mason, one of our, ASP dudes here, is gonna take a shot for us. So, so tell us about the Pulse a little bit and why the Pulse was designed.
Yeah, so we got a couple of products for you here. We got the C2. This has been around since like 2006. This is an older product.
Sure.
We saw a real need.
Now it's called the Bolt now.
Exactly,
you know?
It's called the Bolt now. We saw a real need in the firearms community for folks to have a less than lethal option.
Yep.
So with that in mind, in 2016, we launched the Pulse. It's got that familiar form factor, got the safeties, flips right up, 15 feet of distance. It'll shoot 2 prongs downrange.
Yep.
Lock up a guy's muscles for about 30 seconds. That's the big difference between what we've got on the civilian side and the law enforcement side. Law enforcement's 5-second ride, this is 30 seconds.
So, 30-second ride. It is supposed to be fire, drop, and run, right? And if you do that, you use a TASER against an attacker, file a police report, bring the report back to TASER, send it to them, they'll send you a new unit.
Absolutely. So the idea is you're going to want to drop this device on the ground once you get a good connection, good probe spread, the guy's locked up. Put it on the ground, walk away, like you said, file the police report, send us a copy of what we're
Don't kick him, get away from you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, I mean, do what you got to do to get away.
Do what you got to do, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But don't kick him while he's riding the Lightning.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
already bad enough.
It'll be bad enough, for sure.
Right. So I took a ride on live video, a year and a half ago, something like that. Not fun. I wouldn't recommend it. I've said I would rather be tased again than OC sprayed again.
Okay. A lot of people, not the first one to say that.
Well, I mean, listen, the TASER is miserable,
Sure.
but it's 10 seconds of miserable, 5 seconds of miserable. OC is 45 minutes of a ride to purgatory, right? Not fun. But so let's show him shoot a cartridge so that you can see kind of the effect. And again, these ones all have, you can see. Here's cool. Show up. I just want to show you. So this little stuff down here on the floor. You talk about this, it's a party, right? Well, it's really not just confetti. It's not a party. Those are identifying marks. So they have serial numbers attached to them, so you know this one shot those, and so you can identify, which TASER was fired here. Now, is that useful in your self-defense encounter? No, because you go, yep, that's my TASER. That's the guy that I tased. Yes, indeed. But, you know, especially in contexts that may not be as legal or lawful, we know who did it, where it was, where those got sold, those kind of things.
Absolutely.
Helpful.
Absolutely.
Right? All right, let's rock and roll.
Oh, nice. So on the conductive target, you can see that the electricity is arcing between the 2 probes. On your bad guy, that's going to be locking up his muscles. That electricity will be going straight through him.
Long time.
Whoa. Holy crap. All right. Then just drop it and run.
Yep. Ideally, it'd still be active. Still be cycling. You throw it on the ground and keep walking.
Okay.
There you go.
That's so cool.
Having some kind of less lethal. Very important. Very important. Because when you don't need to shoot a fool, you know, when it's not time to shoot somebody, but it is time to stop them. The cool part of a TASER is, I mean, jurisdictions are always dependent, but the cool part of a less lethal tool is, this guy's a budding physical threat. He just said, hey man, I'm gonna beat you up. Well, he didn't say I'm gonna kill you, or he's not necessarily a credible lethal threat, so I can't necessarily shoot him, but I can pop him with the TASER and run off if he's an imminent physical threat to me. So it's a different standard of care, different standard of use. So it's a good option. You gotta pick the right one for you. It's one I recommend.